We are going to create a form that will allow users to submit their own article for inclusion in our History of Cardiff site. A form begins with an OpenEnd Form Tag. There are many different elements that can be added to a form. The most common is the input element. Let's add an input element to capture the full name of the person submitting the form. After opening the input tag, we need to add a type attribute and set that equal to text. This will specify that this tag will create a simple single line of text box. We also need to give the input element a name attribute. Here it will be full name. The name attribute allows any script that processes the form data to identify that field. The input element should also include an ID attribute to uniquely identify that field. We'll call it full_name and close the input tag. The ID should match up with the for attribute of a label tag. The label tag provides a label that should appear before the form field. So let's create the label for our full name field with the for attribute that matches the ID attribute of the input tag. The text that goes between the opening and closing label tags will appear on the form. Let's take a quick look at our form. We have the input element, which is a single line of text, as we have set the type to text, and the associated label. As we have linked the label to the input with the for attribute, if I click on the label, it will take me to the input box.